Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, Omkar, let me know whether I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
And my screen is also visible, I think.
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. Let me just start the recording. Yes. So, today we are going to see about the friend function and the friend class. So let's see what is friend function first. Now we all know that what is a member function in a class. Can anyone define member function in a class? Can anyone define member function? What is member function?
A function declared inside the class.
A function declared inside the class. Very good. Any other property of a member function? Why it is called as a member function, not a normal
A,
one?
a function which is declared as a member of a class.
Okay, very good.
Because it can
Any other?
access the
Yes.
variables. Because it can access the private variables inside the class.
Yes. Anything else? Member function is a
Member function
function which,
defines the properties and variables.
okay, good. So, what is a member function? Member function is nothing but a function of a class which can access the private and public data of the same class. Is it okay? So, that is how we can define a member function. Now, when I'm talking about the member function, we all know that when we are playing with only one class, there is a restriction. I can only access the private, public, and protected data with the object or the member function of the same class. But imagine a condition that I have a class and I have a private data or data member, but I am not having any member function inside that class and I wanted to access the private data. Then how I can access? So in that case, it is mandatory to write the member function. But the question arises, can I access the private function without a member function? So we have one more feature in object oriented programming in C++, that is a friend function. A keyword friend is used for such kind of accessing variables. So either a function can be a friend or a class can be a friend. Let's take another example. For example, I have two classes, class A and class B. Both these classes, they have their two private data. Class A is having integer x and class B is having integer y. I want to add these two numbers. I want to add these two numbers, x and y. How can I access? Because these two classes are different. Their data members are different. They might be having their own member functions. So how can I add these two numbers? Fine. So in such cases, I can have a function which is a common function in between these two classes. And this function can access the private and protected data of both the classes. You will get this when I will show you the implementation. But let's go in the theory of it first. That is a concept. So, a friend function can be given a special grant to access the private and protected members. A friend function can be a member of another class or it can be a global function. Now, when I'm saying it can be a global function, it need not to be a member of any class. मतलब आपने ऊपर एक function define कर दिया with the keyword friend, that will become a common function. Fine. And that function can be used in any number of classes. Is it okay? So friend keyword jahan jahan use hoga, you can access the private and protected data. We know public data can be accessed anyway, fine, but private and protected cannot be. So for that reason, we are having the concept of friend. I'm just making one of the function as in friend so that it can have an access. So how you can write the syntax? So a syntax is you will just write a simple function that is return type, name of the function, that's it. It is preceded by the keyword friend, that's it. And it's a case sensitive. So the first letter of that keyword friend should be small. Fine. So that is nothing but how we can declare a friend function in a class. Remember, it may be a member, it may not be a member. जब आप उसको दो classes में use करोगे, so it is a shared function in between two classes. Fine. So here I have, I'm just showing you the syntax. This is a class basically just to create a node, that is for creation of a linked list. So one class I had created with the name node. In that I am having two variables, a linked list. Linked list is what? It's a data structure. There are two fields in one node, which is a key, that is data, and next is your address field for the next node. So these two fields I have defined here, integer key and node star next. Node star means address, location to the next node. Now suppose I wanted to declare a function that is a friend function. So how I'm declaring it? Friend integer. Now this is a data type I'm giving. No need for this. Scope resolution search. Just a minute. Here by mistake an actually class came. I will show you that thing. I'll open an Eclipse. Okay. Is it visible all of you or shall I zoom it out?
It's visible,
If
ma'am.
you will, it's visible, no?
It's
Okay.
visible.
I'm opening that Eclipse screen. Just search it out because okay. Preferences I have no here. Somewhere is there. Preferences, okay. Okay. Chalo. So I will show you what is basically a friend function. Let me know whether you are getting the concept or not. Fine. अगर आपको नहीं समझा, in between you can interrupt me for today. Fine. So I'll just demonstrate it. I will write down a class. Here I'm writing one class. Fine. I'm using an Eclipse. So I'm writing a class here. In the private section, I'm just writing a variable A. And another class I am writing. Sorry, previously I will just tell you about single class. So this is one class only. And in the public section, I will write down one function, maybe void input. Fine. And here I will take some data, maybe C in A. And what I will do here, I will first of all create an object of this. So this is obj, and then obj dot automatically, sorry, obj dot, it will show me the input function. Let's try to execute this, a simple one. So see input function executed. I have given here some, I'll just print it out also, see out A. So it is maybe 12 or 2 and output is 2. Now this is a normal function which is accessing the private data of a class. Okay, so you all know a member function is a function which can access the data of the same class. Now there is a concept of friend which I told you. What can I do? I can make this function as a friend and I will say that function is not the member of this class. So what happened with this? For example, I am writing here a friend. So when I'm writing here a friend, this function is a friend of this class now. That means this function can access the data of this class. Which data? Private and protected. Is it okay? Now let's elaborate this. Now I'm adding one more class, class B. And here I'm having, for example, integer B. And, in the public section, I'm just adding one more here. Maybe, void input 2. And here I will take C in, B, C out. This will be a simple one. Input 1 and input 2. These are the two functions which are there in between two different classes. Fine? So this is my class A, where I'm having a variable A. And this is my class B, sorry, where I'm having a variable B. Now what I need to perform the addition of these two numbers, A and B. But if you can see, both are the members of two different classes. So how you can do the addition? Then in that case, you have to create an object of two different classes. You can access it with the help of those two objects and you can perform the addition. Can you do it with the help of some function? So in that case, yes, I can have one function, which is a function which may be a common in between these two. So in that case, what I will do, I will simply write down a function and add function. Now, when I will say this is an add function, अगर ये function only class A का function है, so this will only access integer A. This cannot access integer B. But what I want, this function, it need to access this A and this B also. So what I will do, I will just make it as in friend. Now what I did, I make this particular function as in friend. Now when it is a friend, it is not a member. Fine. Matlab, this is a common function in between this class and this class. With the help of this function, I can access this data also, I can access this data also. But how? Can I directly write down C is equals to integer A plus B. Can I directly write down like this? Fine. So let's try to have this. But when I'm saying this is a friend, I have added here the declaration. Where should be the declaration and where should be the definition? That is also most important. So for simplicity, I will just explain you. Here we'll just write down the declaration. Fine. So this is my simple thing. And from here, I will give call to this obj1. Here I'm creating an obj2. So I will take the value of this another object. Input 2. Fine. So after these two statements, I will take an input of A and B. And now I wanted to perform the addition of this add, which is a friend. So what will I do? I told you this is not the member function. So if I wanted to write the definition of this function, where should be the definition? Can we write the definition inside the class? So the answer is yes. We can write the definition inside the class. We can also write the definition outside the class, but in that case, there is no need for your scope resolution operator. The reason is it is not the function or the member of a specific class. It is a friend. So what I will do, I will simply write that function here, void with a return type like a normal function. So I wrote this. But ये जो prototype है declaration, if it is it okay if it is written only one class? No, it is not okay. Why? Because I need to tell this कि ये friend है, ये किसका friend है? Is it a friend of class A? Is it a friend of class B? Or is it a friend of both the classes? So वो आप कैसे बताओगे? For that reason, you need to declare this function in both the classes. That is in the public section. You cannot write down in the private section. अगर आपने इसको private में लिखा, so you cannot call it from the main. So here declaration is done. A function is defined as a friend, declared as a friend in both the classes. Definition I am writing outside the class. I told you this is not the member function of any class. So you no need to use a scope resolution operator here. Fine. No need to use a scope resolution operator here. Instead, you can simply write it with the help of a void, that is a return type. जैसे आप normal function लिखते थे in case of your C. Now I wanted to perform the addition of these two numbers, A and B. How can it access it? So the next point which comes with the friend function is the argument to the friend function is the what we can say it's an object of the classes amongst which that function is going to get shared. The argument to the friend function is the objects of the classes or the variables of the classes among which this friend function is shared. Now, this friend function is shared in between two classes, that is class A and B. So I will pass these two as an object here. So one is my A, another is B. So what is the data type of the parameters? The parameter data type of the parameters of your friend function will be object. Class name. Right? So user defined it is. So parameters are object only. So in the definition also it will become like A. You can take it as in anything. So B by. Now when I wanted to access this, how can I access it? So can I access A directly? No, I cannot access A. I have to access it with the help of an object. What is an object of class A here? X. So it will be X dot. Immediately when you press dot, you will get that variable list. So I will just pick it up. Plus, I wanted to perform the addition of that with the addition of the another object. Sorry, here it should be capital A, last name. So now here it will come y dot. Again, once I press dot, it should show me the list of variables. Fine. So this is nothing but what I'm talking about, accessing the private data of both the classes in a single function. So this function is not the member of any specific class. Rather, it's a shared function between A and B. और ये आपको कहाँ से पता चलेगा? It will be known to you from the parameters. कि this add function is a friend shared function in between these two classes. Fine. Now I wanted to show this or just put this result into another variable, maybe C, and I'll just print it out here, C out, C. Now this is done. I have given call to my input function. So from here, the control will come here. It will take the input of this value, input value A. Then I'm giving call to input 2. That means this class. So it will take the value of this. And then I do need to give call to this add function. Now how the call will be given to the add function? As it is not the member function of any class and we are not using any scope resolution operator, we don't need to access this function with the help of dot. Rather, I can directly give a call like this. Now, what are the parameters here? Here the parameters are class type. So here my first parameter will be this one, obj, because यहाँ पे आपका input one execute होके आया है, and the second will be obj2. Now let's try to execute this. Okay, one more thing is missing here. I have just class. So the value of A is 2. Terminate हो गया. This is called as a forward declaration. Why I wrote this, I will just tell you. Declared parameter.
मैम
हाँ.
क्लास बी में भी पैरामीटर्स पास करने होंगे ना
Oh,
फ्रेंड
oh, sorry. Yes. Thank you. So I'll just copy this. I forgot. Same declaration should be there, na? Thank you. Same declaration should be there. I missed it out actually. So see, from here my input one will get called. So it will give call to this function where it will take the value of that A. So 2 it will take, enter. It is showing the value of A. Then the control will go to input 2, which is for this object, that is another class. So it will take the value of this B. I will just enter it as in 3. And the output is 5. I'll just write this code properly so that the output will be visible to you all. See out the value of, sorry. Okay. Here I'll just make it as in B. Now you can see I'm just executing the input one function first. So it is taking the value of A. So for example, I'm taking it as in 5, enter. Then enter the value for B it is coming. So it is maybe 4 you can take, and the output is 9. So 2, maybe 4, output is 6. So what I did the addition of two numbers here, and both these arguments, that is numbers, sorry, data members, they are of two different classes. But I'm accessing those with the help of a friend function, which is a common in between these two. You can see I have written a class here, fine, and I'm trying to have one function which is common to those two classes. But how it is known that this is a common function? So for that reason, I'm giving a keyword as in friend. Remember, this is a case sensitive one, so F should be small. Now, as it is a shared function, it need to be tell to the compiler that amongst which two classes it is a shared function. Fine. So that is done with the help of an arguments. So when I'm passing the arguments, I need to tell that amongst which classes this function is shared. So same prototype need to be written in both the classes. One more thing, why I have written this forward declaration. If I am not writing this, fine, what will happen? See, आपका compiler का control, first it will come here, then it will come here, then it will come here. It will read both the classes. Fine, let's try to execute it. What will happen? Now जब आपका compiler का control सबसे पहले यहाँ पे आ रहा है, the control will go to this class, class A. यहाँ तक उसने read किया. What is the next line which is coming? Friend void add A X comma B. But compiler doesn't know what is B. कंपाइलर को पता है व्हाट इज बी? नो, कंपाइलर नो अबाउट ए, बिकॉज यहाँ से आपका कंट्रोल कहाँ आया? यहाँ से आपका कंट्रोल आया यहाँ पे. सो कंपाइलर अंडरस्टूड दैट ए इज अ क्लास. बट जब कंपाइलर यहाँ पे आ रहा है, कंपाइलर डजंट नो व्हाट इज दैट बी. सो क्लास बी का डिक्लेरेशन कहीं पे तो भी मिसिंग है. दिस इज नॉट नोन टू द कंपाइलर अंटिल एंड अनलेस यू विल डिक्लेयर दैट क्लास बी समवेयर और द कंट्रोल इज पास्ड फर्स्ट. Is it okay? You know, any variable need to be declared first. You cannot use it directly. Any function need to be declared first. You cannot use it directly or you cannot call it. Fine. So this is missing. Let's try to execute this without that. So it will give you an error. It doesn't understand what does that be. Can you read it out, all of you? Getting what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you
Yes.
getting what I'm saying? You can see arrow is coming here.
Yes.
That means this is not understood by the compiler. And to make this understand to the compiler, I need to declare this somewhere. So I'm just writing here a declaration of class B. That's it. Declaration. And this type of declaration is called as an forward declaration. Just to tell the compiler that this particular class is going to be used somewhere in the code below. So this error can be resolved. So this is about the friend function. Any doubt with it? I thought instead of going, conceptually, theoretically, I will show you the concept with an implementation. So it will be better understood you all. Yes, one more thing. You can use the friend function amongst n number of classes. But in that case, jahan jahan aap use karoge, those will be the parameters to that function. You can also use a friend function in a single class also. अगर आप सिंगल क्लास में यूज करते हो तो आर्ग्यूमेंट वही क्लास रहेगा. दैट्स इट. एनी डाउट टिल नाउ?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Fine. So that I wanted to tell you about the friend function. Now I wish आपको understand हुआ है what is a friend. So let's go about some important points about the friend function. A friend basically should be used only for limited purposes. Too many functions or the external classes, they are declared as in friends of the class within protected or the private data. मैंने आपको वही बोला that data is encapsulated within a particular class body. I cannot access the private and protected data. But if I wanted to access, I can access it by using the friends. Now the friendship is not mutual. For example, अब ये concept आपको कब दिखेगा when I'll be talking about the friend class. Here I talked about the friend function. Fine. A function is a common one which is there in between amongst the classes. When I'll be using this for my classes, that is, I can make one class as a friend of another class also. So suppose I'm making class A as a friend of class B. So whether it is possible that vice versa is also true, that is class B is a friend of class A. So in that case, it is not. The answer is no. Only one direction friend is possible. Like I can make one class as a friend of another class. And then that class, if you wanted to make as a friend of its previous class, you have to declare it inside the class body. That we'll see. I'll show you how the friend class will work once the friend function will be over. It is not inherited. It is not possible in the inheritance कि आप आपने base class किया है and then you are inheriting some classes and then you are using a friend function. So that is not possible. Fine. So friendship is not inherited. And one more important point, even though friend is a feature of object oriented programming, it is there only in C++. It is not there in Java. So friends can be implemented, that is friend function and the friend classes. They are implemented here only in C++. If you wanted to implement similar concept in Java, there we have a concept of interfaces and packages, but we don't have a concept of friend. Fine. Though it's a property of object oriented, but it is available only in C++. आप Java में उसको differently करोगे by using interface and packages. Okay. So let's see a simple friend function, function which is a name with a name show B. I'll show you how it is. पहले आप मुझे ये बताओ whether you understand that example which I just took on the online compiler. All of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. If you understand that, you will understand this also. So what I did here, I wrote a I'll move to the main first. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm writing a main function. Here I'm taking two classes, A and B. Now let's go to the definitions of A and B. So this is my class A. And in that class, I'm writing only one function, which is a show B function. Fine. And what I'm writing in that show B, what is an argument? It is an argument of B type. What is B? It may be a class. But compiler doesn't understand this. मतलब यहाँ पे argument क्या है आपका object है. But compiler doesn't understand this. So what will happen? There will be an error. To resolve that error, you need to write down a forward declaration for that class B. Okay, so this is the only definition of your class A. You have written a simple function where you wanted to access the data of another class. अब यहाँ पे मैं दो functions को share नहीं कर रही हूँ, आप देख रहे हो. I'm not sharing a function between two classes. But what I'm doing, I'm using a function in one class to access the private data of another class. For that reason, I'm using a friend function here. Fine. Matlab here I can access this B in this class A. अगर normally देखोगे तो this is not possible. Fine. But I can do this with the help of a friend. How? Let's see. So this was about class A. Now I'm writing my class B. What I'm writing inside it? I'm just taking one private variable integer B, just initializing it with the help of an a constructor default one, and I'm just making this as in friend. So मैंने वहां पे एक friend बना दिया function को friend. Now you will ask me कि ma'am, it is not it is declared here. But if you can see here, मैंने यहाँ पे जब इसको declare किया, this is declared as a member function. यहाँ पे keyword friend है क्या? No. Here it is not a friend. So when it is not a friend, it must be a member function of this class A. Fine. It must be a member function of this class A. But I'm passing the argument as in class B. So a member function of one class trying to access the private data of another class. This is possible. This is feasible. Fine. but this class should understand कि मेरा private data मुझे A को share करना है. So what will happen in that case? So when I'm going to access that particular function in my class B, I need to define that function there with the help of an friend keyword. फाइन, मतलब मैं उस फंक्शन को फ्रेंड बना रही हूँ. जैसे ही मैंने उस फंक्शन को फ्रेंड बना दिया, आई कैन एक्सेस द डेटा. बट ये मेंबर फंक्शन है क्लास ए का, सो आई कैन नॉट सिंपली राइट इट. आई डू नीड टू यूज अ स्कोप रिजोल्यूशन ऑपरेटर विद अ नॉर्मल सिंटैक्स. सो हाउ टू राइट द मेंबर फंक्शन? सो इट इज रिटर्न टाइप, क्लास नेम, दिस इसका क्लास कौन सा है? ए, स्कोप रिजोल्यूशन एंड दैट मेंबर फंक्शन ऑफ दैट क्लास. I'm just making this as a friend now. मैं बता रही हूँ इस क्लास को कि this function is now friend. So you can this class can access your data now. And how the definition will be written? So definition will coming with the help of scope resolution. Because this is not the common function, right? मैंने एक के member function को दूसरे का friend बना दिया. मैंने जो आपका एग्जाम्पल अभी ऑनलाइन कंपाइलर में लिया, वहां क्या किया? One function I had made as an friend of two different classes. So this is the second possibility, right? One member function of another one class is a friend of another class. So this is done. यहाँ पे define कर दिया. Similar way से now I can access the private data. So how the private data can be accessed? With the help of this object. So I am just accessing with the help of x dot b. That's it. फाइन. एंड जब आप मेन से कॉल करोगे, आपने जब यहाँ पे किया, देर इज नो नीड टू कॉल दिस फंक्शन बाय एनी पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज अ शेयर्ड फंक्शन. इन दिस एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज नॉट द शेयर्ड फंक्शन, इट इज अ मेंबर फंक्शन ऑफ दिस क्लास ए. एंड हेंस जब आप इसको कॉल करोगे, यू नीड टू कॉल इट विद द ऑब्जेक्ट. सो आई हैड कॉल इट विद द ऑब्जेक्ट. एंड विच ऑब्जेक्ट इज पास्ड एज एन पैरामीटर? द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ p. That's it. So this is the another use of friend function. First use it. You can use a friend function as a shared function in between two different classes. And the second property is the member function of one class can access the private data of another class by making it as a friend in that class. Okay, so this is about the properties of the friend function. Any doubt till now? Just have a look on this. You will understand. If any doubt, kindly raise your hands. Otherwise, I will just move ahead. Otherwise, I will just move ahead. No one is
Ma'am,
having
will you
doubt.
please
Okay. Sorry?
share that? Will you please share that code, ma'am, in chat box?
वो तो मैं शेयर करूंगी, बट अभी आपको लॉजिक समझ में आया क्या, वो बताओ मुझे.
Yes, ma'am.
अब पहले मुझे आंसर करो कि आपको समझ में आया क्या.
Yes, ma'am.
कंसेप्ट अगर समझ में आया बेटा, सो इट विल बी मोर बेटर. हाँ, शेयर तो करूंगी मैं, नो इशू. ये कंसेप्ट एक बार क्लास में हो जाए, आई विल शेयर इट.
Yes.
There are number of codes which are there with me. I will share all those codes.
Hello, ma'am.
समझ में आया आपको? सो एक ये चीज था जहां हमने किया वन फंक्शन एज एन कॉमन which is not the member of any class, and this is one thing where I'm making a member of function as a friend to another class. So this is also possible. Okay, can anyone, अगर किसी को समझा है तो फिर मुझे बताओ, why there's a need to for this ampersand?
Ma'am, it means
Is it
the
mandatory?
variables of type B.
Sorry. Hello?
Ma'am, it means that the variable is reference of type B.
Reference in the sense we are passing the control to the location of that object. हम location से data ले रहे, fine. Instead of directly passing the name of the object, I am passing the reference, मतलब location of that particular object. Because what is object? It's a memory buffer, right? एक location ही है object. So for that reason, so it is like you can pass a reference, you can directly pass an object, not an issue. Both the things are okay. So once this will be executed, the output will be b is equals to 0, because we had printed like that only, the value of b. I think you have understood till now. Nextly, can I have the global friend function, that means which is a common in between these two? So the concept which I've showed you here, that is a global function basically. एक function है जो दोनों के बीच में common है, and that is not the friend function. So no need to use a scope resolution operator. So similarly, the similar example is given in the PPT. This also I will share, and this is the another example. Similarly, class A is there. Fine. I'm having one friend function. I'm just writing the definition. Only in one class I'm playing here. I don't have in different classes. So can I play with single function, a single class? Yes, I can play with a single class. But then I have just defined it. As I'm saying it's a friend, there is no need for scope resolution. And I'm just accessing it. But can anyone tell me, do this function is required for a single class? No. I can simply write down any member function also here. Yes or no? This is not
Yes, ma'am.
mandatory. है ना, आप नॉर्मल मेंबर फंक्शन से भी ए को एक्सेस कर सकते हो, बिकॉज यू आर प्लेइंग ओनली विथ वन क्लास. आप अगर देखोगे, वी आर प्लेइंग विथ ओनली वन क्लास, सो दिस इज नॉट नीडेड, बट दिस कंसेप्ट कैन बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड. आप नॉर्मल मेंबर फंक्शन की जगह फ्रेंड फंक्शन को भी यूज कर सकते हो. दैट्स इट. फाइन. सो मेंबर फंक्शन कैन बी रिप्लेस्ड विद द फ्रेंड फंक्शन. So this was for friend function. Friend class we will discuss tomorrow in the next class. So friend function is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will share the PPT for friend function. Before coming for the next class, for friend class, please read out what is there in the friend function, so that for tomorrow you will not have any doubts. And probably by tomorrow we'll complete our first unit also. Okay. So I wish you understood. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So shall we stop?
Thank you.
Shall we
ma'am.
stop?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting what I'm teaching in the classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. A2 batch. We will have your PTG today. Fine. I will just share the thing. Oh, don't leave. Don't leave. No one will leave. I haven't taken the attendance. Yes, now you can leave.
मैम पीटीजी का टाइम क्या होगा?
मैं मेल करती हूँ बेटा. आप अराउंड 4 o'clock